Hi guys, I am Manoj Kumar, founder of Basics Programming YouTube channel. Now I am going to explain about Python pattern program. Okay, if n is equal to 4, I should print this pattern 1 triple 2, 2 triple 3, 3 triple 4, 4 triple 5. Okay, now let's go into the program C. Now I am taking a variable of integer data type n is equal to int of input. I am asking from the user. Okay, enter and value. Okay, here in Python, hash or nothing, this red color highlighted are known as commands. Okay, here I is known as rows and j is known as columns. Okay, I am writing for loop C for I in range 1 comma n plus 1 means the for loop will be up to 1 to n plus 1 range only. Okay, now I am writing for columns also for j in range 1 comma n plus 1. Here both ranges are same. Why? Because we are taking a square matrix. Okay, what is nothing but square matrix is nothing but number of rows is equal to number of columns. Okay, now let's see here 1 to n plus 1. N value is what? 4. No, 1 to n plus 1 means 5, but 5 is not included. See here 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, j is also 1 2 3 4. Okay, now observe the pattern. See 1 2 2 2 2 3 3 3 3 4 4 4 4 5 5 5. Okay, you observe that in every row we have every row first column the number is same, means 1 2 3 4. Here I value also same 1 2 3 4 and 1 1 is 1, 2 1 is 2, 3 1 is 3 and 4 1 is 4. Okay, so I'm writing if condition. C, if j is equal to 1 means if it is first column, then what I should print a value I should print. Okay, int is equal to, if it is not first column, then we should write else statement, else condition, print. Okay, now I'm writing statement. See here 1 2 3 4. Okay, now let's see the first row. First row first column is over. Okay, then what about remaining columns? 2 2 2 2 are there. Here I, okay, we are printing the value of I. Okay, but here plus 1 value of plus 1 of that value. No, so 2 I plus 1 we should write. So we are writing I plus 1. Print. Okay, that's it. Get programs. Now I'll explain the program. See, initially I value we are giving n is equal to, what is the n value here? 4. We are asking the input from the user. Okay, now I am giving 4 here. Okay, for I in range of 1 comma n plus 1 means I will start from 1 and end up to n plus 1. Okay, now i's value is 1 and j value is also 1. Okay, means this portion. Okay, if j is equal to 1, yes, condition is satisfied, then it will go here, print I. What is the value of I? 1. So 1 will be printed here in first row first column. Okay, now j will be incremented. Now the value will become, the value of j become 2 and I is 1 only. Okay, now first row second column. See, if j is equal to 1 means column first column. No, so it will go to else statement. See, print I plus 1. What is the value of I? 1. plus 1 what 2, so 2 will be printed here, this 2. Okay, now j will be incremented again, j value become 3, j is 3. Now this condition will not satisfy, so it will goes to else, print I plus 1. So 1 plus 1 means I plus 1 means 1 plus 1 2 now, so 2 will be printed in first row third column. Now j will be incremented, j value is 4. Now check the condition, condition is not satisfied, so it will go to else, I plus 1 means 1 plus 1 2, so it will print 2. Okay, now it will come to again I will be incremented as 2, so I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 1 it will come. Okay, now second row it will check first column C. Okay, j is equal to 1 now, so it will print I value. What is the value of I? 2 now, so 2 will be printed here. Okay, next j will be incremented, second row second column. Now 3, how 3? If j is equal to 1, j is equal to 1, no condition is not satisfied, so it will go to else statement, else condition, print I plus 1. I plus 1 what is the value of I? 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 what 3, so 3 will be printed here. Now j will be incremented again, j value is 3, it will check the condition, not satisfied. No, so 2 plus 1 3 will print here in second row third column. Now again j will be incremented to 4, j is equal to 4, condition not satisfied, so it will go to else, I plus 1, 2 plus 1 what 3. Okay, it is not satisfying, sorry, 3 will be printed in the second row fourth column. Okay, now I will become 3 and j will become 1. Will means why? Because j is 5 now, but we have up to limit 1 to 4 only now, so j I will be incremented, so j will be 1. Now let's, now third row. Okay, j is equal to 1, yes, condition is satisfied, so print I. So what is the value of I here? 3, so 3 will be printed. Okay, now j will be incremented, j is equal to 2, this condition is not satisfied, so it will go to else, print I plus 1. 3 plus 1 what? Value is 4, so it will print 4. Now j will be incremented to 3, j is equal to 3 and I is equal to 3, means this one. J is equal to 3, condition satisfied? No, it will go to else, print I plus 1. 3 plus 1 what? Value 4, so it will print here 4. Okay, now j will be incremented, j value will become 4. Okay, now let's check the condition, j is equal to 4 but j is equal to 1 is there, condition is not satisfied, so it will go to else 1, else I plus 1, what is the value of I? 3, 3 plus 1 what? 4, so 4 will be printed. Next 5, 5 is not there now, so it will comes out of the loop. Now j I will be incremented as 4, the value of I will become 4. Okay, it will, now fourth row we are checking, and j will be 1. Yes, the j will be 1 now, so this condition is satisfied, it will print I value. What is the I value? 4 now, it will print fourth row first column as 4. After that j will be incremented as 2, the value of j will become 2, so j is equal to 2 now, the condition is not satisfied, so if you go to else, print I plus 1 is there now. What is the value of I? 4, but plus 1 we are doing now, 4 plus 1 what? 5, so it will be print here. After that j will be incremented as 3, j, this condition is not satisfied, now it will go to here, 4 plus 1, what is value? 5, again j will be incremented, again j will be incremented, the value of j will be 4, means fourth row fourth column, but this condition is not satisfied, so it will go to else, 1, print I plus 1, so I plus 1 what? 4 plus 1, what is the value? 5, so it will be printed. According to this we can write this code. Okay, Now I'll run this program. See, you will check. Now I'm giving input 4. N is equal to 4 now. Enter n value, he said. I am the user now. See, 4. See the output. See, I'll show the output. See, same I got now. 1, 2, 3. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1 triple 2, 2 triple 3, 3 triple 4, 4 triple 5. If we give 5 minutes, what will happen? You see, n is equal to, I'm giving 5. Enter n value. It is asking 5. See here, 1, 4 twos, 2, 4 threes, 3, 4 fours, 4, 4 fives, 5, 5 sixes. Sorry, 4 sixes. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If the video is nice, like it and share it with us. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.